Let's not talk about the heck that I look like a crumb. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. I look like a crump today. I haven't been on camera in a minute, but in today's video, we're going to do a little Pretty Little Thing haul. If you're interested in seeing what I got from Pretty Little Thing, just stay tuned. So this stuff is out of order, but I'll start with skirts. This skirt, which is I don't know what it's called, but there's just this like frilly hem skirt. Looks really cute. I don't know the exact price of everything, but I think this was $12 or $14, and I did have some coupon codes, just so you guys know. Next, I have another plaid skirt, but this one's a bodycon skirt as well, but it doesn't have the frill hem. Looks like this, mauve color, cute. Is an orange and yellow white plaid skirt, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people have seen this like all over Instagram. You know, the Instagram baddies be having it. Material is different than the other. Each skirt is a different material, and now you can probably see the type of material this is. All those skirts were $12. Next thing is like a turtleneck or mock neck crop top, and it's black and it has a little bit of short sleeve, and it looks like this, and everything I got was in a size 0, just so you guys know. So yeah. I got this dress, and it's a nude dress, and it's bodycon. You can just look at it and see that it's fitted. Looks like this, and it's also that material of the orange skirt. It looks really good on and fits really nice. Okay. Next is a top. It's a tie front crop top, and I have it in light pink. This was $22, but I had a coupon code, guys. Never pay full price if you don't have to. But it's just in light pink, looks kind of see-through, ties in the front. That's that. When you like something, you get it in more than one color. So I also got it in this pretty baby blue, powder blue, whatever you want to call it, sky blue color, and it looks really pretty, and I love like pastels at the moment. Is a crop top, but it's a long sleeve mock neck crop top, and it's gray, and I got it to go with one of the skirts, and it's gonna be a look. It's gonna look cute, just so you guys know. And then I had got a dress, and I cut it into a tank because the dress was too short, and I tried it on for my boyfriend, and he was like, take that off, like you look ridiculous. This ribbed top. Now it was a mini dress, and I got from Romwe. I have also got, it's just a shirt that says kind of classy, kind of hood. Some people know me and be like, girl, you're not hood. Oh, belly button piercing. I also got a beret from Romwe, and then I got a plaid skirt. I got this super cute belt. I also got a beret, but it has like rhinestones on it, and it came with a rhinestone off, but like, can I even be mad though? It's so cute. That's everything I got. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more try on hauls, give it a thumbs up. I want to do a swimsuit like try on haul from Romwe because they're good for itty bitty girls like me. Just so you guys know, I do wear a size 0, and I'm really itty bitty. I like can't gain weight for nothing, or I gain it and lose it. So like I got happy with Pretty Little Thing because they have stuff for people my size that fits well. But some stuff is really small, even for us small girls, and I've learned that. So, and your girl's married. Hold on. I'm just playing that yet, but that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Most part, that's everything I got. Got some cute little jewelry stuff. I'm like, I'll hold that for later. But guys, thank you for watching. Keep supporting, keep growing. Let's keep glowing and doing our thing. Life is life. It's crazy, but